Want to know how to fix JDK Not Found error in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, there could be various reasons for your JDK error happening. So, some of the reason could be you not installing the JDK. So, make sure you have it installed. We have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch. Now, once you've done all of that, here you should be seeing tools on the top. Just simply select tools, select Java platform right here. Now, once you select the Java platform, your Java modules should load up. So if you want to add platform, just simply select add platform and then add the Java that you had installed and its directory. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Once that is done, your error should be fixed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.